Hi, my name is Lisa Dowd. I'm the principal broker and owner here at Dowd Realty Services. I'd like to take this time to talk to you about the rental cycles. Again, before we go any further, we really want to take a look at the word cycle and understand what it means. A cycle is a series of events that are repeated in the same order or the period of time taken to complete a single sequence of events. What is a rental season cycle? Again, when we're looking at the seasons of the year and the months of the year, we are just comparing the rental market to the seasons. As an owner, it's very important you understand the rental season because there are different periods of time where there's high volumes and low volumes of tenants and people looking for property. During periods of high demands, the rental season cycle, the owners have positive effects. And you as an owner can get your property rented quickly. You could probably get more for your unit, and you have the upper hand in negotiating any sort of rent concessions. During periods of low demand on a rental cycle, you have negative effects, and you may have to take longer to rent your property. You may have to come down on the rent price, and you may have to offer something like a concession in return to get somebody to rent your property. If you take a look at this graph, you're going to understand that 74% of all of our leasing is done during the summer months, which is June, July, and August. Again, when we're looking at the fall season or even the spring season, you can understand we have some push, but nothing like here in the summer. The one thing to remember, and I always tell everybody, when you're looking at November and December, please keep in mind that people are buying Christmas gifts, and then all of a sudden in January and February, they're paying them off. Come the middle of February, they're starting to do their tax returns, and by March 1st, you have people that have their tax returns back in their hand. They're putting their security deposit down so they can find a new place to live. So it's very important you remember the cycle when you're trying to list your property for rent. Again, along with the rental season cycle, there's also the monthly cycle that you need to be aware of as an owner. And again, during periods of the month, from the first to the end of the month, we need to know when the best time it is to rent your property and when the best time, to get the best bang for your buck. If you take a look at this graph, 90% of all of our leasing is done from the 16th to the end of the month. This is very important to know because I have a lot of owners that say, well, we're going to list the property on the first of the month for rent. And the thing that I want to tell owners is that if you list it on the first of any month, you have already missed the people renting for that month. You need to list it 15 days before the end of the month to get people to rent for that month. So a lot of people don't understand that. But when you take a look at this, the first week of any month, people do not have to worry about getting a place. They're just looking to look. And by the second week of the month, they're getting more serious. By the third week of the month, they're already thinking, okay, if I rent this 2 weeks in advance, I can go ahead and clean out my old apartment and be all moved in, cleaned out, and have the keys back to my old landlord. And this is really why there's so much 90% by the 15th of the month. Now, this is just the same thing, only in a regular calendar, so you could kind of take a look at it. Same thing. The first is very little. Second is not too bad, but the third week to the fourth week of the month is just continually, this is when we do our highest volume of lease signing. It's very important that we take a look at all the cycles. As an owner, you want to make sure that you are renting your property in the optimal season and at the optimal time of the month. If we make sure that we remember these cycles, the monthly cycle and the seasonal cycle, you make sure that you can get your property rented at the optimal time so you get the highest rate and you can get your property rented quickly, generating income faster. Well, I hope we've given you enough information. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. I hope to hear from you soon.